This is why you need the perfect brownie recipe in your life. Ready to take your baking game up a notch? All right, first things first. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line an 8 by 8 inch pan with parchment paper. Easy, right? Let's get mixing. Grab a large bowl and whisk together your melted butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until it's smoother than a jazz playlist. 1 egg at a time now. Crack, mix, repeat. Add in that glorious vanilla extract. Now, for the dry stuff, sift in your flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold it all together. We're aiming for just combined, not arm workout. Chocolate chips, anyone? Fold in a cup of those bad boys for extra gooiness. Pour that luscious batter into your pan and spread it out evenly. Time to bake. Pop it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Toothpick test it. You want a few moist crumbs? Patience, my friend. Let them cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Slice, serve, and dive into brownie heaven. And there you have it. The perfect homemade chocolate brownies. Happy baking!